Hello everyone, today I will be explaining an internship from OPEC. If you are looking for an internship, and this is a very good opportunity for you in an international recognized institution. So before I start, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for more updates. And this is the official link where you can go and find out all the details and apply for the scholarship. And so the internship program runs for 2 and 6 months, designed to provide a framework to support students assigned to any OPEC fund department, etc. And work assignments undertaken by interns may include conducting research, writing documents, organizing information, and assisting employees with their day-to-day work. So what is the eligibility criteria? Your age must be between 19 to 25 years and enrolled in an undergraduate program having completed at least 2 years, or a graduate program. And applicants may be recent graduates having graduated a maximum of 1 year before the application. So if you are a graduate and it is not more than 1 year of your graduation, you can still apply for this internship. So applicant must have English, and an additional knowledge will boost your more chances, like French, Spanish, Arabic. Computer literate and keenly interested in the work for the OPEC fund, able to demonstrate cultural awareness, able to demonstrate the OPEC fund's core values. And to apply, candidate must submit online application form, curriculum vitae, a copy of their university diploma or equivalent, a copy of their most recent university transcripts, a short statement in English about 150 to 250 words outlining their motivation for applying. And successful candidate must be able to present a valid health or medical insurance policy for Austria, or a similar certificate proving she will be fully covered from a medical perspective for the duration of the program. So please keep in mind all applicant must be in English. Please upload the statement and transcript under the additional documents section of the application form. Please answer all the question on the application. So this is where you will apply. So new tab will open, apply now. And first you have to create your account and then sign in, and then the online application form will appear. So that's how you will register for this. And so guys, after creating an account and signing in, this is what it will be looks like. So there are my document section where you will have to upload a resume, cover letter, and it is not mandatory, but if you can make a good cover letter, then it will increase your chances, of course. And in additional document section, you will have to upload your transcript, etc. and copy of passport. This is profile information if you have work experience, and work experience with company, formal education details, and there are the language skills details. So job specification information, and this is the acknowledgement section, and here you have to sign in. And area of internship, these are the area of internship where you can apply, like administrative section, communication, financial. So apply in which you want to or you are interested in. And expected period of internship, there are two intakes, summer or spring. And please indicate the duration of the internships. So between 2 to 6 months, how much months you are willing to do this internship, and also write the start date. So then you have to apply, simple. So this is the application form, and thank you for watching, and please let me know if you have any question, and bye.